All right, we're dealing with Lenmark software, and Dean Cagley did the brain work on this. I'm just putting it into a video. Auto text change using Excel. What it's trying to do is take this list of names and put them on multiple items. Like if you got a business card here, uh, and you got a rotation table, you can put the rotation table and either click and go each one. But in this particular scenario, I'm just going to stick in a business card under it just to make the point that you can change items. A Christmas tree ornament or whatever you would like to do. All right, this is the XLS file that we're going to use. It has to be XLS. It can't be whatever XLXS like this. And this is his written instructions. I've done this video about 6 times because I keep getting it wrong, so I'm going to keep referring back to it. This is in Lenmark 3D. This is Lenmark 3D. And he says, take the letter, get a letter, it doesn't matter. Just put any letter there so you can select it, and you'll see in a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and center it using this button. All right, we'll just flip right back to Mr. Dean's. So you can modify the select the text, then open Property tab and select Text tab. So we're going to come over to Property, select the text, click the text. We're going to hit Automatize Text, select that, and press Apply. Come back to Dean's worksheet, Apply. That will enable the automation button, which is this here. Previously, it was grayed out like this. Select the automation button, then highlight the text in the right panel and select Modify button. All right, so he said, select that, press automation, select this, and hit press modify. Let's make sure that's what it said. Now text in the right panel, select modify button. All right, in drop down here, okay. Come back here, hit modify. Here we're going to select file text. We're going to select Excel. We're going to go back and read his instructions. Select Excel. We did select file text because it's a file. Select Excel and browse to select your Excel file. Note, this must be saved as Microsoft Excel 97 to 2003 worksheet. XLS, the newer XLSX will not work. Okay, so we're going to do that and come back. So here we're going to browse. We did select Excel. We're going to browse. We're going to find the file. This is his file. We're going to select open. And we're going to go back and read his instructions. Set row number, column number, sheet to the desired selections. Just created it row 1, column 1 through. This requires no changes to default values. So if you want to select auto cycle, let me make sure I did that first. We did all that. This is information that you just need to know. If you want to select auto cycle, it will go to line 1 after marking all the text. That means it's going to be ready to start again. I'm not sure why you would want to use that, unless you had 4 different pieces on a turn. I don't know. Unless you're on a turntable and you were just wanting to go through them. I don't know. But I understand why I could use it. It's some scenarios where I could use it. Anyway, if you want to select auto cycle, you can. So auto cycle. And what that says is just let it repeat when it gets through. If not, the text will disappear from your work area and you'll need to repeat the whole procedure to mark again. If you do not need to edit or repeat the setup, it's important that you reset the row number. All right, so reselect modify. You will see the text in the right panel change to file text. And note, this is the step that gave me so much trouble figuring out. All right, what he just said. This has to change. So press modify again. It changes to there. I think you're through at this point. Let me go read his instructions. Because again, this is Dean's baby, not mine. Smart man. All right. We're down here. Figuring out the modify back. As it acts as apply. Must be selected after change to get it to work. Now select OK. All right, so set your parameters as usual and mark. Okay, and that's the rotary table. That's all cool there. So what he said was, you got this. This has got to change. Like our letter A has got to change to file text. Click OK. Now it's ready to go. And for those that's not familiar with Lenmark, I've already been to General. I did it so many times. On a fiber laser, you use 80. On a UV laser, it's 120. And press apply. Okay, we're going to set our hatch up or whatever we're going to do. Outline, mark, equalize. It really doesn't matter. Let's see, 0.5. It doesn't matter because we don't care about quality. We're just doing the process. Click apply. For parameters, I have one saved just for testing. That's 1,000 millimeters a second, 75 kHz, and 50% power. And at this particular point, press apply, do a preview, and preview. Where we're not previewing. Select. Selected mark. Preview real geometry. Preview. It's hard to see it, and I didn't have my phone ready to go to do a record over there. But there, you can see it doing a preview there. I've already set my focus. I'm just going to do a business card and simulate putting a new business card down. There's a new one, but there's no need. That's already messed up. So him in there, or her. All right, so that's how that's looking over there. And all we're going to do here is press deselect preview and press mark. All right, it says Cagley. Yeah, okay, there's that. I'm going to preview off and mark. The table would automatically turn if you had a table there, or you can just simply replace the card as I did, and the next name will show up. Okay, I'm moving the card now again, and I'm pressing mark again. Okay, and moving the card again. Okay, I think there's one more name. Yep, and mark. Oh, there's another one. Really doesn't matter. All right, so see it came back to Cagley, and it's ready to start again. So all you'd have to do, I think, I don't even know if you have to clear this or not, but just press clear. Why not? Do a preview and press mark. Let's see, the laser, the guide, the view, the red light was on. There, turned it off. Mark. That's Cagley. That's Lindsay. That's Pullen. That's whatever it was. There's Watt. And Griffin. And Cagley again. So it's just sitting here. And all I'm doing is sitting here pressing the button. All right, and that's it. Again, full credit goes to, save changes the document, no. Full credit goes to Dean Cagley out of Tennessee. Auto text change using Excel spreadsheet in Lenmark 3D. Uh, Mark Zhang did some work from Hayatan Laser. I've just gotten a UV laser, so I'll be catching up and figuring that out. So again, this is a Lenmark tutorial using Hotan laser with the Feeltek 3D head.